Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's Let's Try and See with Dina B. And if you're interested in seeing how to get this look, the first thing I'm gonna need you to do is hit that subscribe button. Hit it, slap it, bump it, do whatever it takes. But I'm gonna need you to get subscribed so you don't miss out on any more videos. Now, let's get into the tutorial. Come on. Okay, so the first thing you see me do is add stickers, but I'm gonna need you to disregard that because the sticker thing did not work. And I'm sorry for that. So the first thing I'm going to do here is grab our Black Radiance pressed powder in Rich Mahogany, and I'm going to use that as a transition color. And as you can see, those stupid little star stickers fell off, and so eventually I took one off, and then eventually they were all gone towards the end. So I apologize for the distraction with that, but you know, I was trying something different. But here I am creating a transition color with that Rich Mahogany. Alright, so I'm grabbing my Juvias Place Magic palette, and I'm going to grab that color Zakaya there, and I'm going to start above that transition to kind of make it a kind of orangey transition color to blend it in with the Rich Mahogany. And one thing I gotta say is I love this magic palette. I really, really do. It's amazing. The colors are buttery and soft and blendable and amazing. I can't do anything but sing praises. And then my next color is Koji, which is like more of a red than the orange is more redder, I guess. And then I'm going to create like another layer of transition with that color. But yeah, you should definitely go grab this palette. It's amazeballs. Yep. And the next color on the list is Nana. Ooh, na na na. And I won't do that again, I'm sorry. We're going to blend that in to that next layer of the transition layer with the color Nana. And then we're going back with our older brush with the other colors still on it and just kind of blend to the gods. The next color we're going to use is that beautiful green color called Buzo. We're going to take a nice fluffy brush and we're going to create like, not a cut crease per se, but you know, we're going to go over and move a bit with that beautiful green. And then we're going to grab a blush, another brush, and we're going to grab Yara. And then we're going to do our mobile lid there. And then we're going to blend that to the gods too. The gods love to be blended to. Trust me when I tell you guys. Yara is so pretty, and we're going to put that on our mobile lid and our bottom lash line also. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're going to grab our LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and we're just going to do like half of a cut crease, like going up, but not all the way to the crease in our eye, if that makes any sense. It's just literally like that line where you would put like a liner there. Yeah. And then we're going to go ahead and grab the Juvia's Place Magic Palette in the color Nubia. And we're going to take that beautiful chartreuse gold green. And we're going to take it over that same concealer that we just put down. I'm going to put that on both eyes. And I'm sorry that I'm kind of pulling out of the frame, but I kind of wanted to do a close-up. And this was the best I could do. So I apologize for that. But I wanted you to see as close as I could. So yeah, we're just sweeping it over to make the chartreuse pop out. That beautiful green. And here we are grabbing Buzo, that beautiful shimmery green again. And we're going to try to blend those lines out so that they're less harsh. And we're going to go from there. And here we are using the Shimmer the Night Away from Wet n Wild. And we're using the beautiful blue color. And we're kind of going to put that into our crease corner where we create like a little C there to create some shadow. I'm going to do that on both eyes. And after that, we're going to grab the palette called Poster Child by Wet n Wild. And we're going to use that yellow brown bone color. And then we're going to take a brush. And then we're going to go ahead and try to create like some brow bone. But if you notice, I did not do my brows. So how am I going to find a brow bone? I don't know. Lord help me. Oh, and as you can see, I'm grabbing my makeup wipes and I'm kind of cleaning up any fallout that I may have that could get messy later on. And here we are, guys. This is the real magic, creating eyebrows for myself. I do not know why I didn't start off with brows. I might have been tripping. Sorry about that. I must apologize. And yeah, so what we're gonna do is use our brow pencil, our regular schmegular brown pencil, and then we're gonna create our brows, and then we're gonna go in with some almost black powder to just fill those brows in. So that's what we're doing right here. Nothing to see here, just move along, just move along. And then right here, I'm using my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer to clean up my brows, to make them more lively and more straight and even. And that's what we're doing there. I use the concealer in shade Caramel. I also use LA Girl concealer in Fawn. So I alternate between which one is closer to me at the moment. So both kind of give the same color payoff as far as I'm concerned. So I like either one. So that's what I'm doing there. Also, I'm going in with the Maybelline black gel liner, and I am lining my eyes. Creating, you know, I don't think, yeah, just creating basically a line. I'm not doing like a winged out or anything, just line. And here, guys, after this, I am going in with my LA Girl mascara, and I'm going to add mascara and lashes. So we're gonna do a nice generous coat of mascara here, and then we'll move on to the lashes. The lashes will be done off camera. So yeah. Okay, so here we are moving forward into our regular makeup routine, and we're going to start off with some face powder and a little bit of foundation. I think this is the face powder first, and then we're going to go ahead with our Maybelline Superstay foundation in the color 556, which I think is more than amazing. I absolutely love this foundation. I'm interested recently in trying other things that are not just drugstore because I've gotten spoiled with this Juvia's Place palette. The quality compared to Wet n Wild or Hard Candy is amazing. So I am just going to go ahead and try my hand with some other stuff. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I was listening to my headphones, so don't mind me. But yeah. I'm using this foundation brush, and I am blending my foundation in to the best of my ability. And then I'm going ahead and cleaning anything up with a wet wipe. See, I'm concentrating. And here I am grabbing my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the color Caramel. And I'm going to grab my concealer brush and I'm going to blend that out. We got to blend it out. Okay, so I won't do that again. Sorry. Apologize. Okay, so after this, I am moving on to my black opal finishing powder in the color medium. I love this stuff. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and highlight our highlight area with this same powder. And we're gonna grab a brush and we're gonna buff that to the gods. Buff it out. It's so pretty. Look at that color. Oh my gosh. I just love it. I could cry. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I quit. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna grab our Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Rich Mahogany, and we're gonna create our contour. create them cheeks, make them poke out as far as we can. And then we're gonna just contour our forehead and then move on from there. And the next thing on our list is this beautiful banked highlighter from Dirty Little Secret Cosmetics in the color Soda Pop. It's like this coppery brown. It's so pretty. I love it. It's so pigmented. Absolutely love it. I use it as a shadow, eyeshadow. I said shadow. Blush, all that good stuff. And then we're going to go ahead and use this eyeshadow from Sephora in the color Colorful as a blush, because these are multifaceted cosmetics, okay? Okay, so at this point, I realized that my transition color was no longer there. So I went back into my magic palette and I grabbed Zakaya and I grabbed my transition color and pulled it out a little more. So that's what I'm doing right there. So once that's blended really, really good, we're gonna go ahead and use our makeup wipes to clean up any areas that needs to be touched up. Okay, so I'm double checking my lashes there. As you can see, they are popping. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my brown lip liner. Any regular brown lip liner would do. And I am lining my lips so that I can use this beautiful lip color here. And I think that is going to be Doll Face. I mess the same lip color up every single time. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna use Doll Face. I love that lip color. It's so pretty. I should know the name, shouldn't I? So now I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be right back. And that's how I got this beautiful, colorful look. As you can tell, it was a little bit of a fail because, you know, I was trying something new with some stickers and trying to get like an outline, but it didn't work. Go figure. I kind of got an oily face, that's why I like mattify the hell out of it. But, you know, we can try something else next time. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my habitual dater segment. It's amazing, it's funny, it's hilarious, and it gives you that extra bit of confidence that your life isn't as bad as mine. So don't forget to subscribe.